The SEC rejects ProShares, Granite Shares, and Direxion Bitcoin ETFs. Or maybe not. What's going on, guys? Rob here. Welcome into the channel. Got a little bit of news here out from the SEC. Just one day after SEC staffers rejected proposals from 3 companies, ProShares, Granite Shares, and Direxion, there is a little bit of news out from the SEC. Senior SEC officials will review those orders, though it's unclear at this time when the review will be completed. So yesterday the SEC came out and rejected a bunch of Bitcoin ETFs, but today, just one day later, the SEC has come out with a little bit of a different statement saying they will review the rejection of these Bitcoin ETFs. So, according to Hester Pierce, yesterday's staff orders disapproving SRO rules related to a number of Bitcoin ETFs are stayed pending commission review. So in English, this means the commission, chairman and commissioners, delegate some tasks to its staff. When the staff acts in such cases, it acts on behalf of the commission. The commission may review the staff's action, as will now happen. So basically, the rejection we saw yesterday of these Bitcoin ETFs was from the SEC staff. Now the chairman and commissioners are stepping in and saying, not so fast, we are going to stay the order and review the order. So this is a change in tune from the SEC with just all-out rejection we've seen of Bitcoin ETFs. Now they're actually taking the rejection and issuing a stay so they can go and review the decision made by SEC staffers. So this is something different from the SEC and is definitely a step in the direction of a Bitcoin ETF approval, though this doesn't outright mean that these Bitcoin ETFs will be approved. But the commission, including the chairman and the commissioners, are stepping in to take a look at the rejection by the SEC staffers. And as of now, there is no timetable I could see anywhere about when this is going to be completed. But it's definitely a sign that a Bitcoin ETF down the road is more likely here, now that we are seeing the commissioner and the commissioners and the chairman step in and take a look more closely at these Bitcoin ETFs. So when any new news comes out, I will do a video on it, might even do a live stream. As of now, there is no timetable on when the commission will make their decision on this, how long the stay is going to be in place. And I've also heard speculation out there that this stay was put in place just to see how easy the Bitcoin markets can be manipulated, if this had any effect on price. This news did come out a couple hours ago, and we did see a slight bump up, but nothing crazy in terms of Bitcoin price. So if that was the reason for this stay, to see if they could get Bitcoin price to be manipulated here, there wasn't that much of a movement in Bitcoin price, which would be a good thing if they were trying to manipulate the price off this news, because not much happened. So again, if any new news on this does come out, I will be making a video or going live. So if you are interested in that and you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you will be notified when we go live. But that's it. I just wanted to get this news out there. It's definitely a change in tune from the SEC compared to yesterday's just all-out rejection. Just one day later, we see the chairman and the commissioners did put a stay on the order and are taking a deeper look into Bitcoin ETFs. So let me know what you think in the comments below. But until next time, that's going to do it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, stay living that crypto money life.